Okay, picking up from the last video, we have this drawing sheet right here. It's on an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet, and as I said, if you right click and select edit sheet, then you can go and make changes to the names or whatever you want to do. When you're done, go back to just edit sheet. Now you're ready to put the views of the parts in. You can also, if I right click and fly that out and select properties, you can also select a different sheet. Make sure that this is not checked, right? If it's checked, you just have some of the standard Solidworks sheets. So if I uncheck that, now these are the ones that we have in our network folder. So the size A, size A of course is 11 by 8.5. The size B is 17 by 11. So if I select that one, this gives you a lot more room if you have a large exploded assembly or a large bill of material, gives you more space. And of course you could also put this in portrait style as well. But anyway, so that gives you a couple of different choices there. The 11 by 17 is nice because when you fold it in half, of course, it's 11 by 8.5, so it fits nicely in a report, and you can fold it in half and then just open it up to have a nice large exploded view. So anyways, now we want to take a look at the assignment where you have to create one of these 6-bar assemblies. So I've already created this one on the left, so let me open that one up. And okay. All right, so with this one, if I rotate it down like that, you can see that there's some spacers, there's room for the links to move. So if we grab the move hand here and do the collision detection, all components, and we'll have stop at collision. So we'll go ahead and move this, and everything seems to move okay. There weren't any collisions there, so that worked okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'll turn this off. I'm going to change. If I click on this part right here, I can look at the mates for that part, and I'm going to go ahead and suppress this location here and move that back. I have this one right here. I'll unsuppress that one. So you can see what I did. And actually I'm going to take this, click on this part right here and suppress that part so there's no collision with that one. But you can now see that these two links with the 3 joints are in the same plane. I still have all the concentric constraints set up. So let's see what happens now if we turn that collision detection back on, stop at collision, and you can see that it even makes a noise. Can't go any farther. And what about this way? Nope, hits there. So that collision detection is kind of nice. It tells you if if you have a linkage that might look like it's going to work, but there might be something hitting there. So that's a good thing to use. And I think I'm going to stop here and pick up with the next video.